Hi, and welcome back to Stop Being Sold. My name is Michelle, and I'm here with Brian. And in this video, we're discussing what you need to know about the new US crypto tax rules that have been proposed by the US Treasury. Now, the crypto industry in the United States has been asking for regulation clarity and tax guidance for a while now, put it that
Yes.
way.
Yeah, long
The,
time.
the question is, will these proposed tax rules make the tax reporting process easier for crypto holders, or is this just another attempt to centralize power and take more money from us? Now, I'm betting it's the latter, but let's cover the specifics of this new tax proposal. And Brian, share with people how that they can make their voices heard and weigh in on this new rule.
Yeah, the US Treasury Department has proposed new rules again for how crypto companies will need to meet their tax reporting obligations under the 2021 Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act.
Oof.
Yeah,
Just the name alone.
I don't know why it went back to that, unless they found something inside that bill that specifically relates to this that they can
Sure.
tie to it. So,
Sure.
but anyways, the proposal gives the crypto industry its own customized 1099 tax form, the 1099-DA, that designated brokers can use to report customer tax data.
Because we all need another tax form, right?
Yeah, another tax form. Here we go.
Mhm.
The proposed rules would require centralized crypto exchanges, payment processors, some hosted wallet providers, some decentralized exchanges, and token issuers to gather and start reporting tax information on their customers.
Mhm.
These entities would be considered brokers under that new definition. However, crypto miners and other transaction validators are exempt from the reporting requirements as they are not deemed middlemen or brokers under this new proposal. The Treasury said these proposed rules would help close the tax gap and curb tax evasion, ding, 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 risk associated with this digital assets.
Well,
So,
it sounds like we need to brace ourselves for massive reporting overhaul down the road.
well, and here's the thing. The Treasury estimates the new rules could raise $28 billion in the first decade. But honestly, based
Oh,
on today's volume,
way
they
more.
can make this up in 2 years or less.
Sure.
That's the point of all this. They just want the revenue. It's that
Yeah, they
simple.
do. And they need it.
Yeah, they truly
They're
do.
spending too much money. They got to pay for something somehow.
Right.
Well, so should this pass, what are we looking at in terms of the new rule taking effect?
Okay. So if it actually is implemented, they would take effect starting with the 2025 tax year for crypto exchanges and 2026 tax years for brokers.
Okay.
This extended timeline gives the industry breathing room, considering the law was originally expected to possibly hit as early as next year.
So I have a question here, and I don't know if you can answer it, but let me ask it anyway. So you said that earlier that the exchanges and some wallets and some decentralized exchanges, and I think it was token issuers, would
Yeah.
be considered quote brokers,
Yes.
correct? But
Yes.
you're saying here that if this took effect starting in 2025 for exchanges and 2026 for brokers, so aren't exchanges going to be considered brokers?
Well, that's what the original gist of this whole thing was, right? So
Right.
they separating them out just to be able to
Get the money faster?
get money faster, I guess.
Huh.
I'm not sure. I'm not
Okay.
sure, but yeah, you're right. That's a great question.
Sorry to put
Why?
you on the spot there. I know you can't read the Treasury's mind, and this just did come out. So, all right. So people and institutions are already raising the alarm over privacy concerns of this new tax law.
Yeah, that's always going to be the big thing, Michelle.
Hmm.
There are major privacy concerns around sharing personal data, and
Sure.
that's our main thing today, right?
Yeah.
Key issues still need to be addressed, including how the firm should deal with private crypto wallets that they
Right.
can't see.
Can't see.
Yeah, and how decentralized platforms with no staff or management can realistically gather and furnish user tax data.
Right.
A lot of backdoor stuff going on there. So, anyways, however, the Treasury and the IRS are currently seeking comments on alternative approaches that could better respect user privacy. Yeah.
Whether they listen is a whole nother thing.
They're seeking comments, Michelle. That's a start. So,
Right.
the proposal is currently open for public comment until October, with hearings planned in November. The crypto industry will have several months to provide feedback and lobby for changes before anything becomes finalized. So if you want to weigh in, now's your chance.
Okay. Here's my big question: is how does one go about leaving a comment?
Yeah, check out the PDF we dropped below that has all the info you need on how to reach out to them,
Okay.
write to them, and even appear at the public hearings to voice your opinion.
All right, this is important. We're going to put that in the description below. And if you are a crypto holder, they may not listen to you, but you do have a say. So get in there and weigh in. And also, while we're talking about tax forms,
Oh no.
make sure to check out our video that we did on the 1099K tax rule or tax form that's going to require you to pay taxes on all third party transactions over $600. And I think the exemption is Zelle? No,
Zell
Zelle.
is one of the big exemptors. And I tell you what, it is one of our number one videos out there. And it takes some time to read through some of the comments below and
Yeah.
add some of your comments because it's very detailed of what's going on.
Yeah. If we're not prepared, it can be a paperwork nightmare. And you're going to have to pay. So go check that one out and check
Oh,
out the
you'll
link
always
below.
pay.
Comment, guys. This is our chance. We get a say. All
Definitely.
right. If you found the content of this video valuable, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Brian and I are going to be putting out videos as this all unfolds. And leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. All
Definitely.
right. Thanks so much, Brian. And thanks to everyone who watched.
Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.